everyone. I'm Wirania Swasti. I'm a PhD student from School of the Arts, University Sains, Malaysia. I'm also a faculty member of School of Creative Industries, Telkom University, Indonesia. I would like to mention my supervisor, Dr. Muiza Mustafa from School of the Arts, University Sains, Malaysia. Well, in this opportunity, I'm going to talk about the theory of consumption value in identifying the role of color in product labeling. Well, color selection in packaging plays an important role and have a significant impact in attracting consumer attention. However, the main limitation of using color in product labeling is, even though it helps with the brand identification, however, it fails to provide functional value when consumers are driven by emotional value in product selection. The study will employ certain terms based upon the consumption of value theory, which is a famous theoretical framework to understand the various dimensions that can influence a purchase decision and motivate the consumer's loyalty. There are two main objectives of this research in progress as outlined here. Okay, and let's move to method. The first step in this analysis is to identify and compile secondary sources related to research topic. This study later cross-reference to the consumption of value theory. The criteria of the sources are peer-reviewed scholarly papers from 1990 to 2020. The time frame is chosen to reflect Seth et al. Conceptual framework of consumption of value theory published in 1991. And this would allow for comprehensive mapping of changes in design trend and style in packaging design. And input from the secondary sources will also inform the next stage of the research, which will have framework for the next study. Okay, and let us move on the result and discussion. Previous studies suggest the consumption of value impacts a consumer's attitude. The prior literature has used the theory of consumption of value for exploring consumers' decision as compiled and summarized in Table 1. Kindly take a look at our paper later. Okay, and in this study, two consumption of values will be addressed, functional and emotional values. Our paper does not document all research related to consumer value yet. However, it can be concluded that functional or utilitarian value and emotional or hedonic value have been used mostly in prior studies. Functional value refers to the product or service design or function, which is cognitive because it is connected with utility and usability. Whereas the emotional value is more effective because it is linked to pleasure, entertainment, and interest based on personal identification. Previous studies address consumption of value theory are mostly on luxury products. Therefore, this research in progress wants to fill gap by providing knowledge in food product labeling in small, medium enterprises context. Okay, to summarize, this study is designed to address a research question and framework on employing the theory of consumption of value to explain the role of color in product labeling and packaging. It may be noted that the consumption of value highlights the functional and emotional value as the key factor in the consumer's decision. As I have already mentioned before, previous studies address the consumption of value theory mostly on luxury products. This study clearly highlights the need for further research in the role of color in product labeling in small-medium enterprise context. And finding described it earlier enhance our understanding and serve as the basis for a research question in color as a value creation as follow. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and please have a look at our paper. Okay, should you have any feedback or question, please contact me by email. Good day and salam.